Good morning.
From sunny PNW land.
And today we are going back to one of our favorite hikes, favorite places, and our favorite neck of the woods.
Kalama Falls.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta preface, we're gonna attempt to get there.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's some snow.
Yep.
And it's supposed to be melted.
Yep.
There were trees down.
Yep.
And they're all supposed to be gone. So
we're gonna go scout for the first time this year and
see where we get.
First time in like 6 months.
Yeah.
Something like that.
We got the chainsaw though, so.
Yeah. So this is gonna be a great adventure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, our drive up to Merrill, we've made it past the lake. There's a lot of trees that have been down. It's a beautiful day for a hike.
Made it. Easy.
We made it. Update.
We just passed
All the cars that are out in the parking area. That means we're by ourselves.
4 cars and 4 sets of people leaving, which means we are about to do the freaking happy dance because we are all alone. Hell yeah. There she goes. Oh my God, look at her go. Look at her go. So green in here, so beautiful, so much moss.
The trees are gigantic.
Oh, it's getting loud out here. Jeez. Oh, she's raging, baby. She's raging. Holy moly. I've never seen the waterfall this intense before. Holy cow.
Raging.
Oh man, you can just feel it in the ground. So cool. Wow.
Oh, always such a great hike.
That was amazing.
We found a dingus. Another one. We found one when we were at Goat Marsh on the sign when we got to the trailhead. It was so funny. We were like, what?
Will somebody please?
Who is Dingus?
What is Dingus? Why is Dingus?
Who is Dingus?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's a mystery. Kind of like Bigfoot.
Yep.
We're almost done.
Almost done. Made it back to the car.
What? I guess.
And on our way out, we decided to go down to Merle Lake.
What tree?
It's so high.
I think you're like, that's where the boat launch is.
Boat launch starts
Like
at
right
that sign.
We haven't been down here for so long.
Yeah.
This is our
Years.
first time we bought our kayaks. We came here to kayak.
Kayak the whole damn thing, too.
Yep. There's actually houses down at the other end. Oh, it's pretty cool. Well, we've had an awesome day exploring in our favorite place.
Yeah.
So we thought
We
we'd
made it.
do our little outro from Lakeside.
Lakeside, beautiful lake.
But thanks for joining us today on our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Until
Thanks.
next time.
Bye.
Deuces.
Or right here.
Dang. Well, we didn't quite make it to the rock pit. Still lots of snow on the road. Woo.
Jeez, we didn't even make it nowhere.
the heck? Snow. Still got probably another month or two before we can get up further.
Plus.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Just wanted to say thanks for watching this video.
Yeah.
Make sure you like, subscribe, all that jazz.
Just
We would
smash
love
that
it.
like button.
We would love it.
We love it. Love, love, love.
Wouldn't we love it?
We would love it.
We would love it.
Girl, we would love it.
All right. All right.
Cool, cool, cool.
Back to the regular scheduled
Broadcasting.
hiking program thing.
Boom.
Wow. What's that? It's a Bigfoot.
The sound of that waterfall is like so deafening. You can't hear anything else. And when you leave, you're like,
What?
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 It's a little chilly out. Gotta protect the ears.
It's a beautiful day.
In the neighborhood.
All right. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for.
Oh my god. Nope.
Limbo that thing. What the? Got it, got it. By the way, we're like designing stuff and shirts. We're gonna have shirts. So stay tuned, stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. We've got creative juices flowing, people.
Flowing.
Flowing, just like
The stream.
Stuff. So, ow. Okay,
All right.
let's
More
go.
to come on that.